You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing word, once and for all, correctly. There are different pronunciations, I'm afraid, and if you want to learn more, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. In English, it's normally pronounced arche, which is not the case. It comes from Greek, meaning beginning. Beginning in Greek, it's pronounced arche, arche. Therefore, if you want to make it sound Greek, arche. In French, arche. It's the French word for an arch. Arch doesn't have an E in English, that's why it's pronounced arch. This one is pronounced arche, normally in English, or arche, Greek, or arche in French. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.